Alright, so we've made good progress getting to where we're trying to get to. We are currently on Dix Hill Parkway. So anyway, we're going this way since we've got about 3.5 miles to go. Part of that is dirt though, so it's going to take a bit longer. So I have to do all of it. You just get to see the highlights. So we're going to pull right here. So this is Currahee Mountain Road. It takes us to the top of Mount Currahee, which is cool. Folks can safely assume that the reason that this is so well known and popular is because of that HBO series Band of Brothers. Because a lot of us didn't really know. I mean, we knew, you know, that soldiers did some stuff and got ready for D-Day and went and did a lot of crazy, heroic, brave shit in World War II. But I think that movie did an excellent job of showing us all the stuff that they really did do. Opening scenes of the series revolve around the training that went on here at Taccoa. And one of the really cool things was they used to run to the top of this mountain every day. There's this guy's getting ready to mow. He's backing up. What the hell is he doing? Does he know I'm behind it? Is the bigger question. And he's not at all shy about just driving in the middle of the road. There he's turning off, so okay, good. So that looks like a forest road of sorts. Oh, it's gated. Everything's always gated. So I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of exciting moments. I hope not. Exciting moments on dirt usually end up with scratches on the crash bars. And then me having to pick up this 550-pound monster that I'm not. There's another, it says Pear Orchard Road, takes off to the right here, but I can already see the gate on it. Yeah, that is one thing that really bothers me about national land. They say public lands, right? So public lands, like all these national forests and that kind of thing, every time you go in them, the majority of the roads are gated. So you're not allowed to go there, you know? And I don't really understand the justifications for it. You know, you're going to call it public land and tell me I can't go do anything with it? Why? Because there's a pear orchard back there? You know, I'm all for protecting it, but protecting it doesn't mean you don't let anybody go back there. Some structures here. Is it something fancy? Is it something interesting? Or is it just an old building and a barn? Appears to just be an old house and a barn that is slowly rotting. This is all about, oh, good Lord, this is all Taccoa. Maybe that guy's going to smooth that out a little bit. Maybe that's what he's coming up here for. He's got that big bucket on the front. Definitely needs some attention. Man, this road is something else, I'll tell you what. Look at this, y'all. Shit. Just brought the scrambler. So yeah, you can already see graffiti on all the rocks right here. Just bullshit. Redefines washboarding. That road is wild. So I am ruling out sports cars. So we're pretty much at the top here. Like a bunch of communications towers up here. A bunch of birds. Really, I wasn't supposed to come this far. But, or was I? I was passing there. Did I keep going this way? Guess so. We're going to. Uh-oh. I guess I wasn't supposed to go this way. Well, there's a set of steps right there. I wonder what that's for. Looks like it just keeps going there. More communication stuff. So I don't think I was supposed to come up this far. So at this elevation, 1,720 some feet. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Alright, so this is about as close as you can get to the top. There's all that communication stuff up there. There's a hell of a view up here though. So yeah, me and a big tiger made it up here. Oh, that road is significantly rough. But anyway, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. Because every time you do that, it helps me go do the next cool thing. Thanks for watching. Have a good ride.